8 proven ways walking improves your brain. It might surprise you to hear that something as simple as walking can actually improve your brain power. It doesn't even have to be full on power walking. Even a 20 or a 30-minute walk during your lunch break can have a positive impact on your brain. Here are 8 ways science has proven that walking is excellent for your brain. 1. Walking helps lower your risk of depression. Walking is an excellent way to improve your mental health. A 2018 study showed that any kind of moderate aerobic exercise, like brisk walking, can boost your brain health and lower your risk of developing depression by a third. 2. Walking improves your cognitive function. A number of studies have shown that the magic amount of 20 to 30 minutes of daily aerobic exercise, such as walking, improves cognitive function and memory. 3. Walking stimulates endorphins. Just 10 minutes of walking is enough to start your brain releasing endorphins, the brain chemicals that lower stress, boost your mental health, and make you feel good. You've heard of the runner's high? Well, now you can get a similar positive rush from a brisk walk. 4. Walking releases the brain's magic protein. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, has been dubbed the brain's magic protein, as it helps to rewire and build new neural pathways. Scientists believe it can help lower your risk of Alzheimer's disease. And cardiovascular exercise is an easy way to stimulate the production of BDNF and keep your brain in peak condition. 5. Walking lowers physical and mental fatigue. A 2008 study by the University of Georgia found that just 3 sessions a week of low-intensity exercise like walking can reduce fatigue levels by as much as 65%. 6. Walking builds hippocampus strength. Your hippocampus is the key part of the brain for forming and storing memories. Research has shown that even brief walks can actually increase the size and efficiency of your hippocampus. 7. Walking improves creativity. Artists, writers, and philosophers have long known the importance of walking for clearing blocked creativity and getting inspiration flowing again. Science can now back this up with a 2014 study by Stanford University showing that walking increases your creative output by up to 60%. 8. Walking increases blood flow to the brain. Blood is vital for every organ in your body, not least of all your brain. That magic 20 minutes is all it takes to increase the blood flow to your brain to keep it active and healthy.